I added bread and lettuce in a blender. Why have I never done this before? In a blender, add 6 lettuce leaves, 2 tablespoons of oil, half teaspoon of pepperoni pepper, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 French bread, and this bread does not have to be fresh bread. Now just cover the blender and let it blend for a few minutes. During the process, just remove the lid and stir the contents with the help of a spoon or a spatula. This is the sweet spot. Now just pick it up, remove, and transfer everything to a container of your choice. Look how the texture looks. It looks like a paste, but it tastes like a mayonnaise. It's a delicious. Honestly, there is nothing like it. Perfect for toasting, and to be honest, it's always better than using margarine. Best of all, you can use that lettuce that's been in your fridge for a while and that stale bread. The seasonings you can change in according to your preference and make this recipe that everyone will love. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe here from the Pooh in the Kitchen. That strong hug until the next time, and thanks for watching.